Good afternoon, everybody, and here we are on a rainy day in beautiful Crowley Lake, California. And we've been saving this one up just for a rainy day, and now we have one. Of course, it's been raining every day, but anyhow, digging deep in the archives, an old tune from the Everly Brothers. I'll never let you see the way my broken heart is hurting me. I've got my pride and I know how to hide all my sorrow and pain. I'll do my crying in the rain. If I wait for cloudy skies, you won't know the rain from the tears in my eyes. You'll never know how I love you so, and only heartaches remain. I'll do my crying in the rain. Raindrops falling from heaven could never wash away my misery. But since we're not together, I'll wait for stormy weather and hide these tears I hope you'll never see. Someday when my crying's done, I'm gonna wear a smile and walk in the sun. I may be a fool, but intend, darling, you'll never see me complain. I'll do my crying in the rain. 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 There we are, ladies and gentlemen, digging deep way back in the archives. And I'll tell you what, one day when my crying's done, I'm going to wear a smile and walk in the sun. And so will you. Thanks for watching, everybody, and you guys know the drill. Keep smiling. See you next time.